If you want to be able to pay off your debt and start saving 75% every month on all of your personal care, household products, family essentials, then keep watching because this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can stock up on everything that your family needs using digital coupons this week at CVS. We have deals on Huggies diapers for $6.25 a piece. We can get Downy, Tide, Gain for $3.30 a piece. So much cheaper than going to Walmart and paying full price. So in this video, I'm gonna break down all the deals so you can score. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. I help you save money on everything that you need using only your phone. So if it's something you're interested in, definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown, a bunch of other resources for you, including the link to my free live class this Friday, where I'm gonna show you my step-by-step process for how I've paid off over $16,000 worth of debt using digital coupons and how you can do the exact same thing. Anybody can. It's super easy. Once you learn how to do it and you learn the system, now you can be consistent. So let's head inside to CVS and take advantage of some really good deals and easy Ibotta rebates this week. Let's get started with an easy $20 challenge that anybody can do using digital coupons, and I'm gonna show you what to do in each transaction. So let's start with the deals for transaction number one. Grab the Garnier Whole Blends deal. These are 2 for $9 as well, but when you buy 2, you'll earn back a $2 extra buck. Plus, clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. You'll pay $6, earn back the $2 extra buck, makes your final cost $4 for 2 of them or $2 a piece. Another deal you could put in a gift basket for mom for Mother's Day is this Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. It's spend $10, get a $5 extra buck, and it's $11.29. So grab one. We have a $3.50 digital coupon. You'll pay $7.79, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it only $2.79, which is about 75% off. Next, we're grabbing some Axe body wash for 98 cents. This week, they're buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. Grab 2 of them. In the CVS app, clip the 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, earn back the $3 extra buck, makes your final cost 98 cents for 2 of them or 49 cents a piece. So this is your first transaction. You're gonna hand all of these products to the cashier and you're gonna type in your phone number. After all the digital coupons come off, you'll be left to pay $17.76 plus taxes out of pocket. Then your extra bucks are gonna print. You'll print a $2 extra buck, a $5 extra buck, and a $3 extra buck that we're gonna use in our second transaction. We also have some really good deals on hair care this week, so if you need to stock up, it's definitely a good week. First, we're gonna start with the Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $9, plus we have stacking coupons in the CVS app that everyone has. First, you're gonna clip the 2 off 2, which is an instant coupon, that's a store coupon. And we're gonna clip this 4 off 2, which is a manufacturer digital coupon. So you can use those both together, saving you $6 at checkout. You're gonna pay only $3 for 2 of them, which is an amazing deal. Next, here's a really good deal you could always put in a gift basket for Mother's Day, which is right around the corner. Revlon is buy any 2, get a $5 extra buck. So we're gonna grab some of these nail polishes here at $6.19 each. And everybody got a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6.38, earn back a $5 extra buck, makes it $1.38 for 2 of them, which is an amazing deal. The last product we're grabbing for this transaction is the OxyClean. These are on sale right now for just $1.99. They also have a spray, but my store doesn't have it available, so grab one of these. This is your second transaction. So again, give all the products to the cashier. You're gonna type in your phone number, or you can do this at self-checkout as well, totally up to you. After all the digital coupons come off, you'll be left to pay $11.37 plus taxes, but you have $10 in extra bucks, give that to the cash register. They're gonna scan it and you're gonna be left to pay just $1.37 plus taxes out of pocket, and you're still gonna earn back a $5 extra buck from doing the Revlon deal. Now let's look at our third and final transaction. The last product we're gonna grab in this $20 challenge is gonna be some laundry products, so here's a couple different options. The Tide Simply are on sale 2 for $5 this week, so you could grab 2 of those. Or if you need some all free and clear, you could grab a packs on sale for $4.99. or if you prefer the liquid, you could grab one of these at $4.99. So this is your last transaction. I chose the Tide. I'm gonna hand these to the cashier. They're gonna ring in for $5, but we have a $5 extra buck we just earned from our second transaction, so I'm gonna pay only taxes out of pocket. We also have a really good deal on CoverGirl this week that includes Ibotta rebates. So if you need any Ibotta rebates to head towards your bonuses, definitely consider this if it's a product that you need. So this week it's spend $10 on any CoverGirl, get a $3 extra buck. Yes, you could do the eyebrow pencils like we usually do, but that does not work with the Ibotta rebate. So here's what I would do instead. Grab one of the Perfect Point eyeliners here that are $8.99. We have a $3 off one digital coupon, and you're going to submit to Ibotta for another $2 cash back. The second product, I would grab a face product. So these invisible concealers here are $8.99. You're going to use a $3 off one digital coupon on the CVS app and a separate Ibotta rebate for this as well for another $2 cash back. So after your coupons come off, you're gonna pay $11.98 out of pocket, earn back a $3 extra buck and $4 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $4.98 for both, or just $2.49 a piece. That's a really good price because some makeup is very expensive nowadays. The first deal we're gonna grab is on Colgate. So they're on promotion for spend 10 on select Colgate Total. You're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab a small one and a large one. That'll bring me to $10.28. We're gonna pay that out of pocket. There's no digital coupons this week, surprisingly, for these, but then we're gonna earn back a $5 extra buck and submit to the Checkout 51 app for $2 cash back on 2. Makes your final cost $3.28 for both, or $1.64 a piece. Now let's do my favorite deal this week, which is the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So my store does not sell a lot of the products that I was originally gonna do, so I'm switching it up last minute. What I'm gonna do is grab one of the Tide Pods. For some reason, when I'm scanning all of these on the CVS app, it is not showing that it's attaching to the $1 digital coupon. Even though the coupon says 16 count, that one is still not working. So I'm gonna use the $1.50 digital coupon instead on the Coupons 24 app. The next deal I'm gonna grab is one of the Tide liquids for $5.49 with a separate $1 off one digital coupon on the CVS app. Okay, just kidding. The $1 digital coupon is also not scanning that it's working on these, and be careful. The coupon says 30 to 34 ounces. The Downy Plus Ultra is now 29 ounces, so that one definitely wouldn't work. This one should work, but to be safe, I'm gonna just stick with the Coupons 24 app. I was gonna grab the Downy Rinse for $13.49, but my store does not carry it, so I'm gonna grab one of these instead. There's a $2.25 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. The last product I was gonna grab that my store doesn't even carry is a 2 count of the Febreze Small Spaces. They are $6.49 on sale, and there is a 3 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. So let's put together this scenario. So your total for these 4 products, because again, it has to be a 2 count. I'm just using these to show you guys as an example, but your total for all of these would be $30.96. After all of the coupons come off, including the coupons from the Coupons 24 app, you'll pay $23.21 out of pocket. You'll earn back the $10 extra buck, makes it $13.21 for 4 products, or just $3.30 a piece. That is definitely an amazing stock up price because we're getting a large product here and a 2 count. The next deal I'm really excited about is on the Degree deodorant. So these are on sale, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. I'm grabbing the dry spray because we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So I'm gonna wind up paying $9.18, getting back a $3 extra buck. But then on my fetch, because I already did the previous one, which was like $2 back on 2, I now have a bonus for 1,000 points per dollar, which is 100% cash back. Well, not cash back because you redeem for gift cards, but you get it. So the limit is 1 though. So I'm assuming I'm gonna get back $6.59 worth from points. That would make my final cost free and a 41-cent moneymaker. So this is the last deal I'm doing. Let's go check out. I'm gonna show you exactly how I submit my receipts and what I wind up getting back, so stay tuned. Next, we have an amazing deal on Huggies diapers. So if you're expecting, definitely stock up. This week, they're 2 for $22. And when you buy 2, you'll earn back a $5 extra buck. It shows in the weekly ad, we have a $3 digital coupon. So if you haven't used it, definitely use that. You'll pay $19, earn back a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost $7 per bag. Now, to make it even better, what you could do is grab the pull-ups instead. Make sure it works with that digital coupon. You'll still pay the $19 out of pocket, earn back the $5 extra buck, and on Ibotta, there's 75 cents cash back each. So you'll earn $1.50 cash back. Makes your final cost $12.50 for 2 bags or only $6.25 a piece. Okay, we are back in from CVS. I did try to do self-checkout today for the first time, or like second, third time, I don't know. I don't usually do it, but I wanted to give it a shot, see if it would work out. But if you're using a Fetch Rewards gift card, it wouldn't take the Fetch Rewards gift card at self-checkout, so he had to wind up coming over, canceling it, and I had to just go to the cashier anyways. I usually do a cashier when I come couponing at CVS. It's just easier. And that way, if I'm using a gift card or something like that, I don't have any issues with self-checkout. The other thing that was weird, when I did my first transaction with self-checkout, it said my out-of-pocket cost was gonna be like $11.20. He voided everything, canceled it. I went over to him. He rang in everything, used all the same coupons and everything. I said, yes, please apply all the extra bucks that are on my account, etc. And my cost wound up being $5.50. So there's something that happened that like there was a coupon that wasn't allowing me to redeem at self-checkout that it was with the cashier. So just a heads up on that. Also, because there were so many deals that my store didn't carry or they were out of stock, or like that household deal, for me to switch it to something else, it just didn't wind up being a good stock up price for me, and my out of pocket would have been too high. So I went ahead and put that one back. Obviously, I couldn't do the Purex deal, which I was really looking forward to because my location, or this location, obviously there's like hundreds around me, doesn't carry it. So I'm probably gonna try to see if there is another one. Yesterday, when I was putting together my deals as well for my Everyday Savings Club members, there was a $1.50 cashback offer on Ibotta for the Purex. Making it even better, it would have been like $5.49. But when I checked while I was in store, that rebate is gone, so it did probably expire. So hopefully some of you guys were able to take advantage of that yesterday. So what I did was just the deals on products that I actually needed, or products that I could resell, because I do have a lot of resale clients that come to me weekly for specific products. Another thing, I always teach my members in my Everyday Savings Club, the most important part of when you're couponing. Number one, you're doing products on things that you actually need and use. Or number two, you're keeping your out-of-pocket cost very low. That is your main priority, is a low out-of-pocket cost. So for the degree deal, if I would have done that deal in its own transaction and not paid with any extra bucks, I would have paid $9.18 out of pocket. I would have earned back more points on Fetch, because with Fetch, with CVS, it counts after all of your coupons, after your extra bucks and everything. However, my main objective is a low out-of-pocket cost. So I wound up just keeping it with everything in my first transaction. So therefore, I did not earn many points back with Fetch Rewards, but that's okay. So let me share with you my receipt. I grabbed the hair care deals, the Axe deal, the Revlon, and the Degree. Here's all the digital coupons that came off. It's kind of hard to read backwards today. The Revlon came off, Axe, 2 off 2 for the Garnier, whatever this one says, Axe. What is that? Yeah, 5 off 2 for the Axe, the Garnier, the Degree, 4 off 2. So all my coupons came off, and then all my extra bucks that I had earned from the last haul that I did would have paid only $5.50 out of pocket, but I did have a Fetch Rewards gift card, so it didn't cost me anything out of pocket for this transaction. Then I submitted to Fetch Rewards and I did get 44 cents back instead of $6.59, but that's okay. And then I got back all of my extra bucks for doing those deals. And I went ahead and did the pull-ups deals because I think we're gonna start potty training my son. I'm so freaking excited. Sometimes he'll tell me when he has to go number 2 or that he did go number 2. And what I've been doing is before we take a bath, he usually goes number 1. He'll like go in the bath, like it's very small. It's not a lot. It's not gross. But I've been noticing that. So now I get him undressed and I plop him on the toilet, and then he goes number one, and then I put him in the bath. So I've never potty trained. This is my first child. So if you guys have any tips or anything, please let me know in the comments, or like a resource. I'm going to be doing some research and stuff. I know there's like the way where you take 3 days, you don't do anything, you don't leave the house, nothing, you leave your phone way over here, and you're just like you and your kid, and you're like really figuring it out in 3 days, and then you can like be potty trained in 3 days. I don't know how realistic that is. Again, any resources, tips, advice, please let me know in the comments. Okay. Next transaction, I just grabbed the Huggies pull-ups because it does give me, I bought a rebates towards my bonus. My next bonus is $5 for 10 rebates. And I could roll all of my rewards and everything, so it would have been $6 out of pocket. But I did have a Fetch gift card again, so it cost me nothing out of my bank account. Then I submitted to Ibotta and got $1.50 cash back. So that is how this haul wound up being a $1.50 cash moneymaker for me, because I paid with Fetch gift cards that don't cost me anything. So my bank account, if I check my bank account, it has no idea I even came to CVS. Paid nothing out of pocket because I paid with gift cards that are free for me. Free gift cards. You're scanning your receipts, you're earning gift cards. Then I got $1.50 cash back from Ibotta. So now $1.50 is going back into my bank account. That's how it's a $1.50 moneymaker. So very important, you've got to make sure that you're tracking your spending in a budget spreadsheet of some sort. Let me show you the one that I personally developed and made, because a lot of the budget spreadsheets I saw out there had nothing to do with couponing. It didn't track couponing or cash back or anything like that, which is obviously very, very important for what I do and how I've been able to pay off my debt using digital coupons. So let me show you my spreadsheet. If you guys want to snag it, I'll link it for you guys. You're welcome to get it downloaded. It comes with some video trainings as well to teach you step by step how to use each of the tabs. And then of course, if you have any questions, if you've purchased it, then you can just shoot me an email. I'm always here to help you guys. Let's head home and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so we are back in from CVS. What we're going to do is go to the April tab at the bottom. If you guys get this downloaded, it comes with video trainings that shows you how to use the financial goals tab, the annual dashboard, and the budget setup. So you can customize it based on your own income, your own expenses, etc. But you will have this coupon trips section. So that way you can log every time you go couponing, earning cash back, and things like that. So you're going to log one line per receipt. So I have 2 receipts today, so we're going to do 2 lines. Oh, it's the 20th. Okay. Then in the drop down, we're going to choose CVS. Now, this one is sale price. So the sale prices of all the products that I grabbed in my first transaction is $52.34. Out of pocket, nothing, because I paid with a gift card. How much cash back did I earn on my first transaction? None. I personally don't count Fetch as cash back because it's gift cards. If you want to, totally up to you, but I do not. Then we're going to do the second transaction. Sale price of the Huggies, they were 2 for $22, putting $22. How much did I pay out of pocket? 0. Earned cash back on this one, $1.50 cash back. So it shows that I've saved a total of $628.23 so far this month, and we still have 10 days left, which is so exciting. And I have $34 left in my budget. I did increase my budget a little bit. I've had a lot of resale orders go out this week and last week, so I need to stock up on some more products for not only myself, but my resale clients. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. If you haven't reserved your seat yet to my free class, I would absolutely love to have you, teaching you exactly how you can pay off your debt using digital coupons and how I've paid off over $16,000 of debt using that exact system. So you can click the link here where it says a free live class and reserve your seat. I will see you guys there.